In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $1,949 selling my online course before I even created it. That's right, when it was just an idea in my head. The way that I did this was in 3 phases. I sold it, I built it, and then I launched it as an evergreen course on my website. You can just copy it step by step so you can go out and make your own money with your own online course. And if you want a copy of all of the steps with the examples linked so that you have something that you can follow it step by step and check it off, I created a free download of this, so that's in the description below. You can grab that if you want to. After creating dozens of online courses and being in the making money online space for over a decade, the only way I will ever create an online course going forward is with this system that I used because it has been the most successful. I had been doing work with clients for a couple years and I kept getting the same questions over and over. I just got to a point where I was really sick of repeating myself one by one. And so I really wanted to create the online course as a resource for myself so that I could be like, here, all the answers are in here. When you keep hearing the same questions over and over and over again, that is your signal that you can turn all of those answers, all of that information, and package it up into a digital product. It's a win-win. All right, so let me show you how I did it. So let's start with phase 1. The reason why you want to sell your course first is because you want to validate your course idea and generate income upfront without wasting time or resources. Because what a lot of people do is they sit at their computer and make a course that they don't even know if anybody wants or needs or is willing to pay for. When you sell it first, you just completely eliminate that problem. So your first step is to post on Facebook or the social media platform of your choice. You can do this on Instagram or LinkedIn or X or any other social platform that you use. And then also send an email. Those are the 2 things that I did. So now I'm gonna show you what those things looked like. Okay, so this was my lead generation post that I did on Facebook. Putting together a beta group for my new signature course. Interested? Comment below. And then I also did an @followers. Comment below if you're interested in being a beta group member. So that's it. It's literally that simple. So now you can see a bunch of people commented. When you get comments, now you know that there's people who are interested in your course. Okay, the second thing I did was I sent an email. This is exactly the email I sent. I copied it word for word and pasted it here. When you download the action checklist that I created for you in the description below, there's links to every single step that I did, giving you examples so that you can save all these resources and then you will have templates that you can just make your own. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, so this is the email that I sent. The subject was exclusive beta group invite inside. And I wrote, hey, first name, are you ready to transform your approach to digital marketing and finally see the results you've been dreaming of? Well, I'm about to share something that could be a game changer for you. The big why. From personal experience, I've learned the true power of simplicity in digital marketing. With less than 1,000 followers on Facebook, I unlocked a self-sustaining income and realized that many are overcomplicating their path to success. My signature course is designed to cut through the noise, offering straightforward steps to achieve real results. I believe sharing these insights is essential and everyone deserves to reach their full online potential without unnecessary hurdles. What I'm offering, I'm opening up a limited number of spots for an exclusive beta group to experience my new signature course. This is a special chance to be part of the foundational group that will not only gain early access, but also play a crucial role in shaping its development. As a member, you'll get a firsthand look at the strategies I use to succeed, plus the unique opportunity to influence the course's direction to ensure it meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. The big benefit. This isn't just about early access. You're getting an all-access pass to live coaching, answering all of your questions in real time. Plus, you'll enjoy an exclusive 80% discount off the future selling price. So that's where the $1,949 came from in beta member sales. This means you'll gain more value than those who join later with personalized support and the ability to request additional resources tailored to your learning style and goals. I'm all about simplifying the process to ensure you get exactly what you need in the least amount of time possible in the way that suits your learning style best. And then I gave a call to action. So how to respond. If you're as excited as I am about this journey, simply reply to this email to express your interest. I'll follow up with more information on how you can become a beta group member. Don't miss this chance to be part of something truly special where simplification meets success. Let's take the step together and unlock the potential you know you have. Love, Brooke. So step 1 complete. Let's move on to step 2. Sales page. So craft a basic sales page to explain your course idea and outline the benefits. I actually made the sales page as if I had already finished the online course and it was ready for sale on my website. And this was actually really helpful for me to do because it helped me get really clear on what I was actually selling. I can't stress enough how much value there is for everybody involved. Like, it's a win-win all around, because you actually get paid to create your course. You make a better course because of it, and you get feedback to improve it from your students and testimonials before you launch it as an evergreen course that you can just sell over and over again. So this is the sales page that I made. When I did the beta group, I wasn't calling the course content to clients. My original title was Digital Foundations. And again, your title doesn't have to be finalized. You can change it, no big deal. So it was called Digital Foundations. And so this image was changed out. And in the FAQ section, I had all the information as it pertained to the beta group. And I did not have testimonials until after I had completed the course with the real students. And then I added them to the sales page, as you can see here. And then step 3, outreach. This is so important that you do individual outreach, okay? So reach out via Facebook Messenger, or again, if you're using Instagram, just in the DMs on Instagram, and email to connect with your interested leads and collect payments. Let me show you what that looked like. So on Facebook, on my lead generation post, I personally replied to every single person who said that they were interested. So you can see here, Hinda says yes. So I said, woohoo. Mai says, me. And I said, awesome, I'd love to have you in the group. So what you want to do is you want to react and reply to every single person that shows interest on your lead generation post. You want to let them know, like, hey, I acknowledge that you're interested. Awesome. And whatever else you want to tell them, like, hey, I'll be, details will be coming soon, or I'll add you to my list, or whatever. So then I went and sent everybody on that Facebook post a direct message, giving them the link of the sales page so that they could see all the details and have a place to check out and pay and enroll all in one spot. Then for replying to the email, so everybody who had replied and said, I'm interested, because that's what I told them to do. I just grabbed a couple screenshots of examples of how I replied. So I said, awesome, Lynette, here's the link with all the details. I'd love to have you. I think you'd be a perfect fit, and let me know if you have any questions. This is Delaney. She's so much fun. She's super into manifestation like I am. So I said, hey, fellow manifestation friend, I'm excited you're interested in the program. Pretty confident it's a no-brainer and absolutely affordable. And you can find all the details, price, what's included, how to grab one of the limited spots at, here it is. Let me know if you have any questions. Love, Brooke. The email I sent was super successful. So what people did was they clicked on the link, they read the sales page, and they enrolled. Simple as that. So I was having sales come in after only sending out a Facebook post and an email. Now let's go check out phase 2. Build it. Okay, this is where you get to build the course with your real live beta group members that you're putting together that actually paid you. Okay, you want to collect payment first. Remember that. Step 1 is to create a private Facebook group. And that's where I communicated the live coaching schedule. I created posts that were like, hey, if you have, questions about your Facebook profile, put them here. If you have questions about content creation, put them here. If you have sales questions, put them here. I had all of the questions all in one spot. And then as I was recording my videos for the course and my worksheets and all the stuff, I was making sure that I was answering their questions as I created the course, which made it even more effective. So it was, this process was just like so much fun. I absolutely love this. Step 2, set a schedule for your live Q&A sessions. So like I just talked about, I set a schedule and I had posted it inside of the Facebook group. Step 3 is to create your course lessons in real time. I had originally said that I would include 6 weeks of coaching, and I was planning to finish the course within 6 weeks, but it ended up taking me a little bit longer. During the time that I created my course, That was actually when my grandma died, and so I had taken a couple weeks off to be with my family. The process ended up taking me longer, which was okay. I just communicated everything in real time with the beta group. They were all super understanding and supportive, of course. And then I scheduled 2 extra sessions for them to come to Q&A. And they all loved and appreciated that because they got to have 2 extra coaching sessions with me. So it was extra value for them. Tell your group up front that, like, this is your plan, you know? So for example, I'm planning on this taking 6 weeks. It may take longer. And if it takes longer, you're just going to get extra bonus time with me. Like, cool, right? So just, and I had said that on our very first session. I remember saying something like, my plan is to have a module completed every 2 weeks, and I will let you guys know in the Facebook group when I finish a new lesson. I'll give you an alert inside of the Facebook group so you can go into the course, you can take the lessons, you can start taking action, and then be prepared to come to the live session after having gone through these lessons. So I was constantly communicating in real time what was going on with the creation of the course and what they were expected to do. And then step 4 is to collect feedback and testimonials. So I created a survey, and I will show you that. Called it Beta Group Survey. Thank you for participating in this awesome beta group. I hope you loved your experience. I love your feedback. So if you can please take a few minutes to complete the survey, I would really appreciate it. Thanks. Click the button below to start. I created this in Kajabi because that's where I host everything, but you can also use Typeform. If you don't have Kajabi, that's okay. There's other tools that you can use. First question is, what are your favorite parts of the course? I just have to type something so I can show you guys. Is there anything that you would change about the course to make it more effective for future students to learn from? How would you rate the quality of the course content? I gave them options here. It was okay, it was good, it was excellent. What qualities about my teaching style do you find are the most beneficial for you? What are the results that you've seen from implementing what you've learned? And then here is the part where I collected a testimonial. Would you mind sharing a short testimonial about your experience? If you're not sure what to write, here's a simple template you can follow. I find that giving people templates when you're asking for testimonials is really helpful. So it makes it much easier for them because it takes a lot of the thinking out of it, and it feels more doable and not annoying to have to do. And as a result, you actually get better testimonials because of it. So here is the template that I gave them. So I enrolled in the course name because I wanted to achieve a specific goal or a specific problem. Since completing the course, then they fill in what they've improved, their achievements, how they applied what they learned. One thing I particularly enjoyed was, and then in parentheses, mention a specific course content, an activity, or aspect of the course that was impactful. And I would recommend this course to anyone who described the type of person who would benefit from this course. And then I gave them an example. And again, I was calling it Digital Foundations at the time. I changed the name to Content to Clients, but it doesn't matter. I had a space here to fill in the testimonial. And then I asked for permission. So I said, can I use your testimonial on my website or other marketing purposes along with your photo? And to make it easy for them, I wrote, if you have a photo you'd prefer me to use of you, send it to me. Otherwise, I can grab one from your Facebook page. Nobody sent me a photo. Everybody was just like, yes. So I went onto their profiles and I just grabbed a screenshot of a really nice picture of them from their Facebook page. So that was super easy. And again, it made it easier for my clients because they didn't have to get that thing to me. All they had to do was just write the testimonial based off of the template that I gave them. And then the last question, I'm thinking of offering an affiliate program if you love this course and would feel great about selling it. Is this something you'd like to learn more about? I did have students reach out to me and say yes, and now I've set them up to be affiliates for the course. So that's it. And then they submit it, and then that goes to my email, and I got everybody's answers and all the information from there. So we finished phase 2. So now let's move on to phase 3. Launch it. Okay, this is where you turn it into an evergreen course. So you get to create a scalable income stream with a proven course that continues to generate revenue. And this is so exciting. You've already sold the course. You already made money with it. You already know that real people want your solutions to their problems, and they've already paid you for it. So if you've already done that, even if it's just with one student, if you've done it once, you can repeat it again. So step 1 is to edit your sales page. Okay, so you add your real testimonials that you've collected from that survey. Step 2, you adjust the pricing. And then step 3, celebrate your success. Woohoo! You successfully created an online course that solves real problems for real students, and now you can sell it with total confidence. Now you've seen behind the scenes exactly what I did to sell my online course first so that you can go out and do the same. Again, if you want all of the resources with the links to the examples and the templates and all that stuff so that you can just go out and execute it and have a checklist that you can be like, check, check, check. Just download that. That's in the link below. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me at info@brooksears.com, or you can leave comments right here on this YouTube video. And if you do this process and you successfully sell your course before you create it, I would also love to hear from you too. Comment below and say, I did it. I made money with my course, or send me an email. I would love, love, love to hear your success stories. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to watch this one next. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.